It's not popping up. Come on, it's not popping up. Okay, we're live. Oh, here we go. Copy that. Bum, 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 bum. Why is my shit? Okay, this is absolutely weird. Why is my chat down there all of a sudden? It's not up next to the screen anymore. That's weird. That's very weird. Okay. Yo, what's going on? Jay, what's up? Stefan, Eddie, XMG, good morning, sir. AGR, good morning. I do have everything on live chat so I can really see what's popping, right? How's everyone doing? Put that there. I don't understand why my live chat is down there, dude. It's weird. Anyway, okay. Let's do this. Pop this here. Let's start with some fresh analysis. But first, let me restart this YouTube browser. I'm gonna restart it all the way. Second. Slide that through here. Take that here. Okay, yeah, the chat's just down there. I don't understand why it's doing that. Weird. What's going on? By tonight. Alright. Might just start with some dailies or with the analysis, you know. So as of right now, currently we're at this monthly resistance, right? Let's mark that off. Template. Monthly resistance, just like that. Monthly support. And the monthly closes in 6 days. 6 days. Template, monthly support. Slide it down to the weekly. All right. Let's add slash weekly resistance as well. It's in the same area. So let's look at the daily. Also daily resistance. So it's just a very strong level right here that we're at. And then let's add this daily support. Settings, template, daily floor, just like that. Let's make sure it's on the bodies nice and tight. Boom. 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour is. A bunch of bullshit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's see here. Draw that fib. All right, we have support down here. Make that red, or yeah, red because we're on the 4-hour. We have resistance right up in here, just like that. And then we have a support area that we tested right here where we're at right now. Look on the 1-hour. Let's see what the 1-hour is doing. Okay, so the 1-hour closed support. All right, so we created support right at daily support, right? But you know, it's kind of fucked up, dude. Honestly, like, do we have the pressure? Do we really? Is gold still gonna continue higher without just pulling back first a bit, right? That's why where we're at is very, very dangerous. It's very, very dangerous, right? Because Putin has to say something or tweet something or something has to happen. It's going to fly another 1,000 pips. We're almost at all-time highs. That's why it's kind of hard to just buy it now again. I mean, almost. We're getting there, right? We're getting there. Yeah, that's a lot of pips away, right? So I want to see a pullback, dude. I want to really see a pullback. I mean, there's a possible buy coming up here as well, but where would you buy it to? You know, your range is from right here's your BOS on the 1-hour. It's your break structure on the 1-hour. So if we have this if we get this candle to come down here, reject off of this support, I'll probably get a buy in from down here somewhere, small stop loss to target this area and be done. I mean, it's so hard to, it's kind of hard to trade if you're not already in a position, and the 4-hour closed engulfing 2 candles. So it's very hard to see what price wants to do. Only thing that we could do is be patient. Crip Mac 55th straight. Yeah, that dude's fucking hilarious, man. He's fucking hilarious. Like, how it's funny how funny he is. Like, when I'm watching his videos, dude, I'm just crying. Literally, the stuff that he says, man. He says everything with a C as well. It's fucking funny, dude. Yo, Shazad, what's going on? Problematic, what's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Welcome for tuning in again. I appreciate it a lot. You know what I mean? The only thing that we could do now with gold is wait. Is there anything else I'm looking for besides possibly? I don't think they're gonna play out. But let's see here. Oops. Let's see here. We got the start of the push. Yeah, there's not even any structure right here. Let's see here. It gets tricky, dude. It gets tricky. It's gonna get tricky today. It's gonna get tricky today. Trust me on my word. If anything, honestly, I would want to see a pullback. Right? Probably get a buy in this area if it allows me to. Get a pullback into here. See what it does there. And take it down to the 50 to 61% level, man. That's what I'm really trying to do. It's so tricky now. My bias has been bullish. For today, it's tricky. By the night, you're a little newer to the stream, but the people that have, been here from like the beginning, I haven't been streaming for that long either. So let's say like last month, I've been saying gold is gonna fly up to the moon. Everyone was trying to short, and I said no, we're gonna fly up to the moon. I just love counter trend trading. It's a bad habit sometimes, but it pays me and my bills. But possibly see something like this if this break structure holds and we get to create some nice resistance up here, then potentially I will take a short. Right now, the 5-minute engulfed again, right? Engulfed 2 times, but it's respecting this area. So, perfect scenario also would be price to come up in here, show us like 2 or 3 rejection candles, so we can buy it up to here. And then once we come up here, take a short, potentially. Because honestly, it just corrected this move up. You know what I mean? It'll be dope if gold comes to somewhere in that area. That'd be dope. Mile Nunjuzana. Thanks a lot, man. Your analysis for gold is the best, bro. No, I'm not getting killed on XAUUSD like before. That's very good. Very nice to hear. If it's one thing that you do with gold, bro, just be very patient. Very patient, and just sometimes you just gotta watch it. You can't jump in trades all the time. Like yesterday, I made a mistake, big mistake. Oh man, I shouldn't have done that, and I end up losing a 0.5% risk. So I'm not looking to make any mistakes today, for surely not. And I'm gonna look to make like 2 or 3% today. 100%. 30 minutes engulfing. Well, not really engulfing. It's engulfing the bottom part of the candle, right? But the 5-minute candles are also engulfing, right? So 5-minute candles pulled up. Draw your fib from here to here, right into this area, 76.40 area, right? You could have if you like the risk for the biscuit, 17 pips. You'd be up a 1-to-1 right now. TP would be 40 pips. Potentially high chance it's gonna get there. I think we're gonna go up. I think we're gonna go up. If we do want to go bullish, it's gonna be New York. Let me mark off the Asian lows and Asian highs real quick. So we have February 22nd, which is today. We have our highs right here. Trend line. Get rid of this thing first. We have our high right here, actually. I don't even have to mark that off. Just make that a little thicker. All right, let's mark that off. Asian highs. All right, just like that. And then let's mark off our Asian lows, which actually got rated already. Your Asian lows were right here. Right? Asian lows is right here. They already got rated. So high probability that we're gonna come and grab the Asian highs of today. So if we get a double top right here on the 5-minute time frame, then potentially I'd look for a buy. Right? The 1-hour close support. This 1-hour candle has a possibility to reject this area and bounce up. So are you risking 1% or a 0.5%? It depends on the setup, bro. It all depends on the setup. Yesterday the setup was kind of sketchy, and it was a Monday, plus it was a bank holiday, so you should never risk full percent on those days, man. You gotta just be patient on those days and take what you see, and don't risk the full lot. If you do risk the full lot and you lose it, it's kind of suck. It kind of sucks because you could have avoided it by trading half risk or something like that. You know what I mean? See here what it wants to do. It hasn't even got into yesterday's Asian lows either. Yesterday's Asian lows were right. Oh, it has. Oh, it hasn't. They're right here. Asian lows from yesterday are right here. So let's keep that in mind. Fierce, how you doing, brother? Welcome back, bro. Thank you for tuning in. How are you doing today, man? So if we get some side, so okay, so perfect scenario right now would be on the 5 minute time frame, right? This candle rejecting, right? Now this 5 minute candle, I don't think it's gonna happen though, but perfect scenario would be rejecting. Say that this candle closes like right here at the daily floor, right? Oh, that's not gonna happen at all. Anyway, perfect scenario would be so you could capitalize on it next time. This candle rejects, and the next candle creates like a stupid doji candle or something like that, and then you can take it, right? But now we're coming into this 4 hour support, and we still have 3 hours left for this 4 hour candle. So keep in mind, this can tank all the way down and just fly up during New York. Please keep that in mind. See? Good, man. Looking for some setups today. No chase for me yesterday, and I saw Asian pushing from the war news. You? Oh, this was war news, actually? This was all war news? That's why it shot up like that, dude. Oh, withdraw just hit. Withdraw just hit. Withdraw just hit. Y'all heard that? Withdraw just hit. Yeah, I withdrew some of my funds. I heard that. Yeah, I gotta take something off the table, man. It's almost at the end of the month. I gotta start paying myself here, man. You know what I mean? I start paying these bills and stuff like that, right? So, um, Malachi James, bro, how you doing, man? What's up? Was just watching your live stream, not knowing you're live. Yeah, bro. Every day around like 10:30, 11 a.m. I like to pop in to like 1 p.m., 2 p.m. If I'm in the trade and I'm really explaining it step for step for step, really getting the people's psychology, because if I'm in a trade, there's a lot of people in the chat. Well, not a lot of people. There's gonna be people that's gonna take the trade, and some people are not used to the way I trade. So I like to just keep them focused and explain everything that's going on, right? When I'm in a trade, I'm always calm. You gotta really think. Indian time, 4:30 p.m. Oh, you have good times, bro. It's 4:30. So you about to eat dinner, Status, aren't you? Let's go, bang, bang. Let's go, man. Let's do it. Yeah, it's coming down real nicely now. Real nicely. So let's see here. Gold closes down here. 11:26 a.m. for me. Same time. Where are you at? Where are you located first? Oh, Hawaii looks dope. Australia? I want to go to Australia one day, bro. Cause I love animals, dude. I love like big snakes and shit. I love that. I love that. Big snakes, fucking big ass spiders. I won't pick the big spiders up, but I'll watch them. I'll watch them close distance. I won't pick them up though. Fuck that. But I'll watch them. I love watching them. Yeah. So look, there's no buys in this area. At this point you gotta wait. Fucking wait. We do have this 4 hour support that hasn't been tapped yet. But I kind of don't want to mark it up because it looks messy. But let's do it anyway. kind of give us a visual. This 4-hour support hasn't been tapped yet, so. Oh man, 9:25. Had dinner. Nice. What'd you eat, bro? Europe? Yeah, I'm in Europe too. Yeah, you love when them big ass spiders appear in your room when you wake up. Nah, see that's different. That's just different. You wake up out of your sleep, you see like a fat ass spider on your wall. Nah, I'll shoot that spider. Just cause that's the first thing you see when you wake up. First thing you see when you wake up is supposed to be just a regular ceiling without a spider on it. You know what I mean? Or your blankets, not a freaking big ass venomous spider that was potentially trying to eat you while you're asleep. Fuck that. That spider was in there for one reason, to eat you. To eat you, you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna, nah, I'm shooting that spider. Best out my room, bro. Bosnia lit. I'm in Hawaii. I want to go to Hawaii too. 12:30 a.m. lit. Oop, look at this 5 minute. Look at that 5 minute. Not ready yet though. You gotta really let it wait. You gotta let it simmer. You gotta let it simmer. Remember what I said gold's gonna give you like, it's gonna give you the first move, the first rejection, and it's gonna give you the second rejection, right? The 15 minute we're closing below structure, so gold used to scare the hell out of me, but with you it looks pretty simple. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Just gotta have the balls to trade it. Right. See, like you got a 5 minute, 5 minutes rejecting, looking like a doji. Now there is a possibility to take a trade right now, but it's risky. I wanna kind of wait for like a, nah dude, look at this 30 minute close, man. Look at it. Okay, the 1 hour still has 30 minutes, so the 1 hour could potentially still flip up. Let's just wait. Just wait. Wait for like one more rejection. Because we are bullish. I mean, don't get it twisted. Let's wait for a 15 minute candle close right here, and let's wait for another spike down with a nice candle rejection, and then we'll use this candle as confirmation once we break above. I'm risking 0.5% on this shit. I'm risking 4%. Okay, looking to take this up. Let's see here. 25 pips. That's a lot. Right. Alright, so we got 30 minute that just opened. 30 minute rejected. Closed above. 1 hour still open. 15 minute closing rejection. Let's see if we could get this candle to come down. Yes, come down. I want this candle to come down, start rejecting somewhere, and then I'll see about entering. Because the 1 hour is crucial. Look at that. That's why you wait. You just wait. Wait for that rejection. Because we are at support. You know what I mean? It'll probably be better to wait, get a little deeper. We'll see. Now I'm looking around my room, all paranoid and shit. Yeah, I hope you got your gun out. Where are you from, Brody? I'm from Colorado, but I live in Europe. Where you from, bro? 15 minute closes in a minute. Yes, sir, it does. It's closed. You got a 1 minute candle pushing up here. You think London's a good session to trade gold? Yeah. London session's good if you. Give me a second. Where's my? Give me a second, dude. Where's that thing at, dude? On Zoom. London session is good. Oh, okay. Break above, I'm entering. On the 5 minute. And I'm targeting there. Stop loss. Like that. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see what it wants to do. I just wait. Because if this breaks above, if this 5-minute candle breaks above here, look. Then your 15-minute candle is going to flip bullish, right? And then we're just going to hop in the momentum with the train on the 15-minute. If that makes sense. But it looks like we're not getting it. And I have to be right back anyway. I'll be right back in like 5 minutes. All right. My bad. I have to let the girl out. You know what I mean? All right. Dope. Let's see. Let's look at the YouTube real quick. Open up that YouTube. All right. Really want to move somewhere in Eastern Europe? Yeah, it's lit. Here's pretty cool, bro. London. Oh, what we have here? London session's good to trade gold when you want to catch the moves like this. You know what I mean? The start of a move, but a lot of times you don't get to start. A lot of times you don't get to start. Like these were easy to catch. I gotta wake up earlier. You had an entry here. I was asleep. Let's see here. Here I was awake, but I was doing other things. You know what I mean? Okay, rejection, hanging man. That was my entry right here. Pull back to this level. Easy, easy, brother. Easy bread. Damn, it did come down nasty though. Right. Let's see here. I actually like this setup right here. This setup's pretty crucial. I don't have any coffee. I just left. But let's just wait. Let's just wait. You just gotta be very patient. You know what I mean? Especially it's coming down like this. Price already kinda broke below here. Let's see if it closes below here. That's a different story though. Right? How long have I been trading? 3.5, 4 years, I think. You know what I mean? See, now the 1 minute is gonna start consolidating. If we start consolidating here, let me tell you, if we start consolidating here, then I would expect New York to push us right back up to where we came from, mitigate these highs, and then possibly crack down again. Or just go higher. Or just totally fucking demolish here and look to come back to these areas. Because, okay, now if the daily closes below here, ooh wee, baby, yeah. Okay, this isn't good. That needs to close bullish. This needs to close bullish. This 5-minute candle. 15 minutes still just coming down. So this is very, 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 very tricky. Very, very, very tricky. That's a big stop loss. 30 pips stop. That's a lot. Right? Does the 1 hour candle have the strength to push higher, rejecting this whole area in 19 minutes? That's my question. Is there enough volume to do that? Because maybe if you get a break above here, there could be potentially an entry. Potentially, you know? But does the 1 hour have enough power to do that? Okay, I just entered. Okay, 0.5% again. Let's see if we could get it. Quick decisions. And I'm targeting 1 hour. Just this 1 hour wick right here. Which one was it? Which one is it? That's why I hate this fucking broker. That wick. Actually, gotta be careful here as well. Well, let's just first get out the blues, because it could still flip, right? Let's get out the blues first. Such a big stop loss though. Damn it, dude. 20 pips, man. Oh, you wanna know something funny? On the fucking broker, shitty broker I have is 26 pips. Wow. Why does it do that? And it's actually right below. Okay, what the fuck ever. It is what it is. We're gonna make a 1 to 4 here. Let's see what my TP is. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see how it plays out, man. If we get the 5-minute closing above this level right here, above this resistance, then we're good. Remember what I said? That level right here, this fifth, when price, I wanted this candle to break above here, but it didn't do that. This candle did, and it flipped. It flipped the 15-minute candle. So let's see if this 15-minute candle could close. It could get dangerous. But if this 15-minute candle could close bullish, then we're on the way. Then the double tops really confirm. I just don't want it to close below here, if that makes sense. Yeah, the broker I use only like 0.5, but I'm on my funded account. Their broker's garbage. Let's be real. Let's be real. All right, so now the only thing that we don't need is for price this 5-minute candle flip bearish like that. That's one thing we don't need, and it's doing it as well. You missed the entry, that's okay, bro. You never really miss entries. You never really miss entries, bro. Don't forget, ever forget. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's not good. Right at the last fucking minute. That's not good. This is supposed to not close like this at all. Damn, I know that which prop firm you're using, so I'll make sure to keep in mind. My Forex funds, it sucks. Spreads are like huge. You have to allow on my Forex funds. You have to allow price to breathe. Like you have to just allow it to breathe. Let's see how the 15-minute close. Okay, 15-minute close rejecting. 30-minute close is not closed yet. So potentially what could happen. Now keep this in mind. This 15-minute or one thing could, two things, maybe three, could crack down right here all the way and just keep going. 2, could reject somewhere in this area, flip up again. Or 3, it could have flipped right at the open, which it didn't do that. So let's see what it wants to do at this level. Now we did create like a bridge. We did create a bridge, what I was talking about earlier with the knights and stuff like that. Now the moment that this candle flips bullish, it should be easier for this candle to break this high, close above it, and once we do that, it's over. Then TP's hit, but right now we're still kind of in a very dangerous zone. So kind of just wanted the 15-minute bamboozled me. You kind of wanted to, I kind of wanted it to close a little bit stronger bullish, man. That's it. Right. Oops. It was on the right way. It was on the right path though. This 15-minute candle. It was on the right path. But let's see, man. We're in 0.5%. Why 0.5%? Dude, look how high we're buying, right? Look how high we're buying. There's not even really a full pullback, right? Looking good. It just needs to close. These candles don't mean shit. The candles, what they do in the meantime, don't mean shit. What's important is the close of the candles, right? If the close of the candles isn't on your side, then you got to really start looking at what could happen or what should happen, right? So if the candles here aren't on our side, man, just bought gold. Be careful. Don't over risk. I'm not a specialist. I trade with proper risk management. That's what made me successful. Yeah, I'm targeting this 1 hour. I don't think we're gonna get it anyway. 1 hour closes in 12 minutes. I'm targeting this wick right here. 15-minute. I gotta wait. Gotta wait. I'm already in. This 15-minute candle bamboozled the fuck out of me. Should have closed bullish. Now we're about to get stop loss hit. Yeah, 100%. We're done. Out of there. I'm not stopped out on my broker yet. I'll tell you guys when. It literally damn near just touched it. Almost. That's gonna stop me out. 100%. GG's. Oh, or it's rejecting. On my broker, I'm still in. On the screen, I'm out. But on the broker, I'm still in. I'm down 23 pips. Oh my god. So my stop loss on my broker is like right. Something like here. Swear to God. It's actually insane. Show you guys real quick. See that? Minus 18 pips. That's actually insane. If it goes now, I'll fucking laugh hard. Right? I'll fucking laugh. Right? I'll laugh my ass off. Like, damn. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. But these fucking bullish candles are... These 5-minute candles are pretty big, dude. They're huge. They're engulfing again. It's only a matter of time that is going to stop me out. It's only a matter of time. Yeah, dude, look at the 1 hour. This isn't it, player. I don't think it's it. Lost 0.5%. We'll see what it wants to do. If it wants to stop me out, it's 0.5%. Let's look at this chart. Copy. Wait. Alright. Daily monthly bullish. 4 hour wick close above 1900. 1 hour closure at 1896 was a fake out. I think that was as well. Assuming price is bullish, it should hit 1888. Should continue straight up. It's not looking good now. Price should continue up, but it might not be at the right timing. You might have took the wrong timing here, cause I'm about to get nicked out here again. Like so close, dude. So close, so close. It's insane. If this doesn't stop me out, I don't know what the fuck's going on, dude. Then God's on my side today, but it's so close to stopping me out on my broker. It's like one more spike down and I'm out. If it breaks this low, I'm out. Ooh, I'd laugh so hard if it just rejects up now. I swear to God, I'll be fucking crying. I'll be crying. Are we looking for bullish movement on gold? We've been bullish for these last weeks. You still should be looking for buys, but honestly, I think it's just the wrong timing. Still in this trade, it still hasn't stopped me out yet. So, I mean, if this candle closes bullish, this 5-minute candle, I think I'm gonna lower my stop loss a bit. Cause then I think I need to give it some room. Oh my god. If this goes into TP, that'll be legendary, dude. Oh, that'll be legendary. I see bullish momentum. I'm gonna pull my stop down like 3 pips. Yeah, I'm gonna risk like an extra $5. I'm gonna just let it breathe a bit. Just a little bit. I have to, man. I put like an extra $4 on the line, man. Cause the way it's moving right now, it might still end up shooting in my direction, man. You're not supposed to move your stop, but if you're okay with the risk, then you do whatever the fuck you want. It's only 0.5%. And all my trades that I normally take, I risk a whole percent. So 5-minute flipping back and forth. Yeah, this motherfucker's crazy, dude. This motherfucker is crazy. I honestly think it's just trying to create that. Because if this 1 hour closes like this, I'm just gonna be frank with you. That's a loss. The next 1 hour wick might give us a top wick before coming down, but should have waited a bit. Let's look here. Oh, they're calling positive numbers. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. If price decides to stop me, I just hope it doesn't slip my stop. That's it. That's it. Putting orders, deployment of troops to East Ukraine? Really? Increase stop loss. Yeah, I increased it by like 5. I'm not gonna increase it by like, I still got to keep my risk to reward very, very, very much intact. This is still a good risk to reward. I just risk a little bit more. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So I increased my stop loss by like, let's see here. I put like $5 extra on the line that I could lose, right? So this 5-minute candle hasn't broke the previous low of the candle. So I'm just gonna see what happens. If I lose, I lose, man. Fuck it. Cry about it. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not looking good. It is not looking good. The only thing that could possibly save me is the 1 hour wake up, or this candle, right? So if this 1 hour candle fucking just starts rejecting in these last 4 minutes, which is very possible, I've seen it, and it closes somewhere in here, then I know I'll be safe. But if it doesn't do that, then this 1 hour candle, it's not good that it closed, that it's closing below here. You kind of want it to close above here, above this 1 hour support, and fairly high from it as well. So the max risk I'd put on this is put my stop losses below here. That's a big stop loss, right? So then I would have to, target this, right? So I'm gonna just watch it. The candles, that's what kind of bamboozled me with this one, because the candle really didn't close how I wanted it to, I anticipated it to, right? And then it just took a dump. But, I'm still in the trade, still didn't get stopped out, which is pretty dope. So let's see here. What do we have here? We have a trend line coming down. Lower time frames. Keep in mind, on the lower time frames, on the 15-minute, we're at support, right? We're a little bit below this daily support. So hopefully the candle could flip bullish. That'll be pretty dope. right? I believe it's going to reject off that zone and turn bullish going into New York. Yeah, that's why I said that's what I'm thinking as well. That's why these buys. Also with confirmations, like I said, the buy area is good. The timing might have been wrong, right? The timing might have been wrong. Just like yesterday, I took shorts somewhere in here. I got spiked up by lost by like 2 pips for then it to hit my TP, right? Because the trade, the thought was good. The confirmations were there. The timing was wrong. You know what I mean? But I do agree with you. Elevate with KD. I do agree with you, but bro, 100%. I mean, I don't know if you're a girl or a boy because I see 2 people in the profile pic, so I'm gonna just agree with you. 5 minutes engulfing here. Now, this is the same thing that happened last time, right? The 5 minute was engulfing big time, and then it just rejected at the last 30 seconds. Also, Putin can sneeze at any moment and make gold move. Exactly. Fat pullback, fat one. Fat one. So, yeah, we're right back at entry now. Just gotta stay calm. Gotta stay calm. 15-minute flipped. Beautiful. 30-minute. Ooh, I don't like that. 30-minute though. Same scenario. Now, the 30-minute might still come back lower. And 30-minute might come, or this 15-minute candle, if we close, I hope this one closes bullish like that. That'd be dope, especially above here. So if we close bullish above here, now I'm gonna just leave this here for just a bit, right? Then that'll be dope, because then that'll mean that the 1 hour close above here as well. Now, but the next candle could potentially open up, spike down into this area, right? To then continue higher. But the way it's going right now, man, I'm not complaining at all. We're just going to keep it P. We're just going to keep it P. We almost got stopped out. But the first time when I was like, nah, I have to move my stop loss a bit, dude. Price, this was my stop loss. This red line was my stop, bro. It was just like that. Just like this, dude. I was like, wow, this is insane. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to move my stop. Just like 5 pips, 5 to 6 pips. Risk like an extra $10. I'm okay with that. Oh, let's see. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. We're going in profits now. Let me see how that closed actually. Okay, so the 1 hour closed above. Yeah, like I expected, this candle could come down in there, reject one more time on the lower time frames, continue higher. Like expected. Nice engulfing candle. This was actually an entry right here. This, okay, so this, if I would have been like 10 minutes more patient, I wouldn't have sat through this drawdown, and I wouldn't have put a little bit more risk on the table. I would have entered at the open. Oh, damn, that's a lot still. I had like 30 pips stop. You know what I mean? But this is the confirmation. It engulfed two candles. And it closed above resistance on the 5 minute. Keep that in mind. 15-minute rejection, looking fairly nice. And then the next actually, what I should have been waiting for is this candle to come down, reject again, and then open or flip above the red line, and that was my entry. I should have waited like 10 more minutes. We should have been good. Now, gonna have to sit in a little bit of drawdown, potentially lose the trade. let's just see. Let's just be patient, man. There's bullish bullish reactions in that area. So instead of risking 0.5%, I risk 0.60% because I pulled my stop down a little bit, trying to let it breathe. Just by a bit. I'm okay with the risk. But I do need to make sure that I do pull out at least a 2-to-1, 100% full position. Okay. Because my risk is bigger, right? So I need to pull out. Let's see here. This is a new 1 hour candle. This 1 hour candle shouldn't break the low and reject. If it doesn't do that, take your losses to the chin and move on. Heiser Ken, what up, bro? I like that emoji. Peace, brother. How you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. Oh, 53 people on. That's what's up. 53 people are gonna watch me handle my emotions in drawdown. 0 emotions. No emotions. You lose or you win. You know what I mean? Chileon, what up? How you doing, man? Welcome back, my man. Mr. YouTuber or my M YouTuber. Yeah, I like that. Hey, these emojis are kind of lit. I didn't even know they had that many. Only 19 likes. That's okay. I'm not gonna beg them to like anything. Zero emotion. None. None. Cry about it. You know what I mean? The only reason you should have emotion right now, or you should be shaking like a little pussy if you're fucking, if you think I'm a fucking, if you think that I know every single move and every single thing, and you think I have like an 80% win rate, that's when you should be shaking and you over leverage. That's when you should be shaking, because I lose. Hello from Mozambique. Watching you handle your emotion. And all honestly, I don't even know where Mozambique is, so I'm about to Google it. The only thing I know what Mozambique is it's a shotgun. Oh, East Africa. Oh man, that's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. That's actually dope, dude. What the fuck? No way. That's like, you have to come here, bro? Yeah. This looks, wow. If you wake up and see this shit every day, bro, why are you trading? I'll be out there fishing every day. I'll be a fisher out there. There's like no stress. Beautiful beaches, plenty of food, big sharks to eat, big sharks to catch. You know what I mean? Oh my goodness. Palm trees. Oh, the city looks dope as well. This doesn't look dope though. That's probably the slums of it. But it's beautiful. Look at that shit, dude. Kind of scary though, cause you live right next to the ocean. You know what I mean? Bro, you on a buy? I'm on a chair on the planet Earth on coffee. Search for Pamba or Akala. Okay. It's beautiful and cheap. Wow. USD to MZN is what? 1 to 65. I have euros, so I'm shaking with you. Don't over risk. If you don't over risk, then you shouldn't be shaking. Let's see. Thoughts on EuroCAD buys, sells. I don't trade EuroCAD, but I'll have a look for you, bro. Okay, so EuroCAD, you're currently at a crucial area indeed. Crucial area, right? Support that broke. Retest it, but now you retested the high. It could work out 100%. Break and retest on the 4 hour. I see. Could potentially work out for you, bro. Potentially, you know what I mean? But the 15-minute kind of closed fishy. 30-minute closed fishy as well. Right? Let's watch gold. Thoughts on Roger Bank? Roger Banks? Successful entrepreneur. Very smart. Very smart dude. I fuck with his magic keys as well. I have his magic keys. I mean, you know, only thing I don't agree with is the way he trades, but that's how he trades and he makes his money that way. You can't take his bread from him because he's making his money that way. Never. Ever. That man's successful catching 10 pips. And that man is successful catching 10 pips. His 10 pips makes more than my 90 pip trade. You know what I mean? So, those are my thoughts. Great entrepreneur. Very smart guy. Very laid back. I just don't like his I don't like his way of trading, but it is what it is. That's his way of trading. He might not like my way of trading, but that's my way of trading. That's it. And that is it. Yeah, gold's flying up. Added another 0.20. Nice. Nice. Just know, bro. As long as you know what you're risking and you're comfortable with the risk, then you can add whatever the fuck you want. If you're comfortable with losing 20K, dude, then you lose 20K. Right? I'm not that comfortable yet. I'm still on the way to that though, where I could be like, yeah, I lost 20K, so what? Suck it. You know what I mean? Okay, now the money's coming in, huh? Now the money's coming in, huh? Now your emotions are controlled. Your screen's not seeing blue anymore. It's not seeing red anymore. It's seeing blue. Pretty dope. Look at it now. See that? See that? I showed y'all when I was like negative 26 pips. Now it's up 12 pips. I just relax, dude. It's all part of the game. If you can't handle a drawdown, stop trading, bitch. Oh, it's fucked up. I shouldn't say that because there's probably someone in there that was shaking, dude. Fundamentals. You like fundamentals more, bro? I mean, in this case, I kind of agree with you. But when there's like no world news going on, and you're just basing it off Forex Factory, that's when you kind of gotta combine them and look like, okay, yeah, fundamentals are saying that, technicals are saying that. What if the fundamentals pushes it to the technicals for the technicals to play out? You know what I mean? That's how I look at it when there's not world news. Now this world news, everyone knows Putin's doing Putin. He's being him, right? You gotta be very careful with one, counter trend trading, and two, that you don't get slipped. That's why I said this morning as well. I said, look, I don't care if I lose this trade. I just don't want to get slipped. Because in instances like when the market's uncertain, dude, slippages occur a lot. A lot. That's what I didn't want happening. What's your trading strategy? Smart money concepts? Honestly, I don't have a trading strategy, bro. I mark up zones, see how price reacts at those zones, and I take a buy or sell at that zone. That's my trading strategy. You don't see any indicators. My trades are purely based off of price action, bro. Very hard, but I don't need indicators, you know? I don't really have a set strategy from like, okay, if this does, there's a lot of things I pay attention to, like the rejection candles, engulfing candles, the break of the candles, the way candles close, all of that I do keep in mind. But there's not like a set strategy where I'm like, okay, this, and that I need to check off before I could take a trade. No. For me, it needs to be in my zone before I take a trade, and it needs to show rejection or show some kind of reversal, and that's the way I trade. Do I see yourself trading in the long run? Fuck yeah, dude. I've been doing it for like 4 years now, 3 years. I survived the 5% of unsuccessful, or the 95% of unsuccessful traders. Why wouldn't I keep going? Now the only thing for me is this is however far I want to go is how far I want to go. Right? I want to trade. I want to do this for the rest of my life. 100%. Yeah, I mean not the rest of my life. There's gonna be a day where I'm just gonna say fuck it to everything and stop working and just go retire, right? But until then, I have to work, I have to invest, I have to make mistakes, I have to learn from those mistakes, and I have to stay humble. Period. You're not gonna get there. You're not gonna get there when you just, you know, you think you got it all made and got it all set. No, dude. I didn't get a silver spoon from my parents. I have to work for this shit. And I'll keep working. And I'll stay working. You know what I mean? When did I start trading in my life? About 3 years back, bro. When did you start trading? Amit Mishra. I like that name. Is it Mishra? It's dope, dude. Gold about to hit everybody's stop loss to go up right after. Don't say that, man. Come on, dude. Come on, Flo. Don't say that, buddy. I'll tell you one thing. If the Bulls are taking over New York, boom. That's your ass, boy. You started about 4 months ago? Yeah, you got a long way to go, dude. You got a long way to go. I wanted to go up myself. I'm in balls deep. I hope you're not about to blow your account, dude. That's the most important thing, bro. Risk management. Risk management. If you can't manage your risk, you will not be a successful trader. If you lose this trade and get emotional and enter another trade and lose that trade and get emotional and lose another trade and you will not become successful. Oh, stop loss at B. All right, bro. Damn, you probably got in like right here somewhere, dude. Stop loss at break even. Jeez. Should a beginner focus on one pair? Yeah, I think that's pretty important. Yeah, I don't think you should go from pair to pair to pair to pair because every pair moves different. You know what I mean? So I most definitely agree with that, bro. I think every beginner should most definitely start trading one pair. Yeah, bro. Last week at the 15-minute candle. Oh, okay, you're about to almost get stopped out at BE if it comes down a little lower. All right. Because when I started trading first, I only traded GJ. And I would only trade GJ, and I would look at gold. I would look at GU, and that's it. But I would only trade GJ. But I would look at GU and gold, and I would look at gold and paper trade it, and journal it and really take the paper trade serious. And I feel like I got attracted to gold more than anything, and I stopped trading GJ. Cause I feel like GJ throws. GJ is just like, you know. I still paper trade GJ. I took a paper trade on this and it played out. Where did I take this trade? What was my confirmation? Take that trade. I took that. It's a paper trade. It's not a real trade, but I still like to look at other pairs at specific zones. So this orange line, I remember, is a daily zone. Yeah, see? So in this whole zone, I'm looking for buys or sells, sorry. Right? So yeah. And then now I'm also looking at a little bit of silver action play out, right? I remember my thought process behind this one is when price comes back in here, it's potentially to buy. It did that. So I just look at other pairs, dude, and try to just paper trade them and see what's going on with them. You know what I mean? Only trade gold. Rest is too slow now. Yeah, yeah. When you trade a fast moving pair, when you trade a fast moving pair like gold, it's very easy to get 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, 100 pips even, but it's also very easy to lose them. And gold is very unforgiving, right? And that's the fucked up thing about gold. It'll take your money quick. Like, I almost got stopped out in like the first 10 minutes of my trade. Right, my trading day would have been done. First 10 minutes of my trade done. You know what I mean? 1914 TP, thinking it'll smack today. Oh, you're targeting kind of like the Asian highs, potentially. I really kind of haven't set my TP right now is this area right here, this wick. So let's see if it wants to play out. All right. I honestly don't think it'll be this 1 hour candle to do it. I think it'll be the next 1 hour candle. Because if this 1 hour candle, you want it to you want it to close above this 1 hour support. And then I think the next 1 hour candle, when volume kicks in, it will give you the move that you're waiting for. I think right now, honestly, you just got stuck in consolidation. Gold silver ratio is a good one. I don't know what gold silver ratio is, bro. What do you mean with that? Even Asian lows most often are broken above during New York. That's what I've noticed. Yeah. Gold likes to target those. Yeah. See, like it targeted the Asian lows right here, cracked down. Now it should reject here another time. And then, you know, oh, gold to silver price? Okay, I get you. But I'll tell you one thing, if this 15-minute closes anywhere like this it's a loser. And you just gotta be, you gotta be real with yourself, dude. You don't want 15-minute candles closing inside the wicks. You know what I mean? You don't want that to happen, because if this 15-minute candle closes right here, the next 15-minute candle is gonna give you a wick up and it's gonna tank lower. Even Asian highs are more. What do you do after you're done trading? I go on about my day, bro. I cook food for myself. I chill a bit. Whatever I want to do, I do. Gold to silver price. Yeah. Gold looking more like it's heading down. No invasion coming from Putin, it seems. It is what it is, dude. If it wants to come down, if you're in sales, good luck to you, bro. All the best. But I'm in buys, and if I lose and you win, then I'm happy for you. You know what I mean? Only thing I could do is watch my risk to reward and my risk management. I lose this trade, I lose a 0.60%. And it was actually 0.50, but I added a little risk to let this breathe for a bit because I saw it rejecting. So that's the difference. I mean, at the end of the day, and at the end of the month, I don't care about what happens today. I care about what happens at the end of the month and how much comes into my bank account at the end of the month. You know what I mean? This 0.5% does not predict my rest of the month's earnings that I'm losing here. Now, yesterday I lost 0.5%. Today I'll lose 0.60% if I lose this trade. What is that? What is a 1.10% risk to? What is that? When I normally per trade risk a full percent. What is that? Nothing. Nothing. It's really nothing. So I feel like once the markets calm down a bit, and I like these setups a little bit more, then I'll go in for my full percent again. But until now, I think I'll just stick to like risking 0.5%. Yes, sir. I trade full time, bro. I blew my account. That's your own fault. That's your own fault. If you blew your account, you over risked, or you just took a lot of losing trades with a lot of bad risk to reward. Everyone blew an account. I blew like hundreds, but I haven't blew an account for a long time. So, and the reason, oh my God, 85 viewers, that's dope. 85 viewers can watch me manage my emotions. There is none in drawdown. There are no emotions when I lose because I didn't over risk. I don't over risk. Period. I'm comfortable with what I'm losing. And if I lose this trade, I'll cut the stream and go on by my day. You know what I mean? $15-minute. Yeah, kind of a fake out here. Let's see. Still not in this. Had to lower the stop loss. Had to lower the stop loss. Yeah, if you lowered the stop loss, I lowered my stop loss by like 5 pips. I put like an extra $10 to $20 risk on the table, but I'm fine. I'm fine with that because I saw it rejecting here, so I added risk to the table. Okay, I know what I'm risking, right? I can withstand price to go on drawdown, right? And honestly, this trade is a loss. This is gonna lose because it's not rejecting and it broke the previous 15-minute low. It's never supposed to do that. So, or you cry about it, or you come back tomorrow and win. Period. You go for a 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Your money's back. Wait. Yes, sir. Psychology is crucial, bro. Psychology is crucial. You should look. It's 3 steps. You want to become profitable in trading? 1. Don't over risk. 2. 2. Don't overtrade. And 3. There could be a lot of third rules, right? So don't over risk, don't overtrade, and don't let your emotions get the best of you. There. Here, you want to be a successful trader? There. There. You want to be successful? Follow these 3 rules. That's it. Me, I didn't over risk. Me, I won't overtrade. I won't take another trade after this. I probably might take a loss right here. 90% I'm going to take a loss, but I won't overtrade. I'm done. Did I get nicked out on my MetaTrader? Not yet, but almost. See, I'm still in there. Negative 30 pips. But I won't trade again, right? I'm like this close to getting stopped out, right? But if I lose this trade, then I'm done. I'm done, right? Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Is he going to do it again? No way, dude. So my stop's like right here. I'm still actually in this trade. It's kind of funny, right? I'm still actually in this trade. Look at that. That's funny as fuck. 24 pips. That's funny, right? So follow those 3 rules, man, and you'll be successful trader, 100%. 100%. Do I only trade one per day? Yes. Bad one, bro? Yeah. Looks like I'm about to take a loss here. It's okay. I'm not tripping. I'm new to trading, but I'm going to make sure to implement psychology daily. Implement psychology, that should be like the first thing you trade. Bro, trust me when I say price action and market structure is simple. Simple. Buying off support, uh buying off support, selling off resistance. It's simple, dude. It's simple. It's up here that a lot of people fail on. You know what I mean? A lot of people fail when trading because their psychology isn't on point. So implement that every day, bro. Trust. Bro, keep it on the 1 minute chart for a bit. There you go. I don't like the 1 minute chart, bro. Sorry, it's kind of messes with me. It moves so fast, it's kind of crazy. All right. Why would you get into the buy here? Okay, well, 1, we've been bullish, right? 2, we're at a daily rejection area. 3, we're at 4-hour support, right? Where I'm at, number 4. Number 4, I had a confirmation on the 5-minute time frame, which was the break of this doji candle right here, which was this candle. I entered on this candle, and this is my stop. Those are my confirmations. Mr. Boomer dying to live 56. Those are my confirmations. What was the confirmation you saw before entering this trade? I just said that, bro. And then you just shoot your shot, and I'm buying at support. You know what I mean? I'm buying at support. That's it. Those are my confirmations, man. But it's easier said than done. Takes a lot of losses to really grasp the rules. Yes. And honestly, the best way to win, bro, is to blow your accounts. Or the best way to learn is to blow an account. Honestly. Cause every time you blow an account, you shouldn't get mad, or you shouldn't, like, I blew a lot of accounts. Probably like 15 or 20. But every time you blow an account, like Stefan just told me I blew an account. Stefan, look at what you did wrong, why you blew that account. Write those mistakes down, paste them somewhere on the wall near to you, and don't do that again. Oh, Jesus. This is the most people I've ever had in. That's dope. Right? I gotta scroll up for these, Can I buy scalp now? That's up to you, bro. I'm not here to tell you anything? Is that red white area? Is that an order block? No, it's just 4 hour support, bro. It's for the body to the wicks. TBH, the smartest thing to do now as a trader is close a trade at BE and let it be. I mean, I'm in drawdown. That's okay. But I'm still in the trade. My trade hasn't gotten stopped out yet, bro. KV MEV. So last 5-minute candle was nice. Yeah, it's pretty good candle. Don't like where the last 30 closed. But if it's one close above, to be Gucci for bulls, I think. Okay. A few already, 3 in the past month. So Stefan, bro, if you blew 3 accounts in the past month, one thing I'll tell you to do, bro, slow your roll. Really look back at your mistakes. I hope you journaled your trades so you can look at what you did wrong. Look back and take a break and see what you're doing wrong, bro. You don't have to trade every day. You know what I mean? What if you've been more patient? Let the candle actually break out of the exhaustion area instead of having an entry on top of a doji wick in the middle of a range. I mean, if that's the way you want to trade, then that's the way you want to trade. But you came to my stream, so you're going to see how I trade. If you don't like it, you're 5 seconds away from clicking away, bro. That's simple, right? I've been trading like this for the last 2 years and it's worked. So I'm not going to change my ways because you're telling me to. You know what I mean? The YouTube gods have favored you. That's dope. That's really dope. It's gold and the 5-minute is a weak confirmation. And you don't know who I am. Then you're new here. Yeah, you're new here, right? After how many months or years you've been consistent? I've been I lost for like 2 years straight, bro. I'll be real with you. So I've been consistent for like 2 years. Totally agree with that. Blowing an account with make you mind sharper and alert. Yeah. Stream be busting. Yeah, this is actually kind of dope. This is gonna go up. Watch everyone. I did voodoo on gold. Oh, come on, bro. Yo, I'm new here. What's your strat? Price action, bro. I'm gonna just call it price action. I'm gonna take a buy just cause of that. Okay, yeah, nice. See, and now right back again. We're right back at BE. It's all up in here, dude. It's all up in here. I was okay with losing my trade. I can still lose it, but this is trading for you, bro. If you can't manage this, what the fuck are you trading for? Aren't you worried about the war news? I would love for the war news to come in right now because it's gonna fly gold into the moon. War news. So, Sager, Pachor, one thing that scares me with this war, buying or selling, is slippage. That's the only thing that kind of scares me. Because if you, okay, so I'm risking 0.60% on this trade, but if this goes down very fast and I get slipped, then that 0.60 turns into like 3%. That's the only thing I'm afraid of, bro. That's the only thing I'm afraid of. I'm not afraid of losing trades. I'm not afraid of the war. I'm more afraid of slippage. Slippage is fucked up, dude. Don't you know who he is? Yeah, Renee. He said 5-minute confirmations are weak. You really don't know who I am. You really don't know why they really call me bank robber. He really doesn't know that. Right? 5-minute entries and 5-minute confirmations are as weak as you make it seem, bro. You know what I mean? On a 5-minute, you can't catch these moves on the higher time frame because they're already be gone. Or you could catch it here. But in a bullish market, especially when price is doing that, the only thing that you see right here is a double top, right? The 5-minute gives me more candles, more data, okay? So look at this, rejection, engulfing, entry, stops above. Okay, you probably didn't get a lot of pips out of this, but that's fine. Look at this shit. Doji candle, enter at the break of this, stops below, stops above. Look at your risk to reward. 15 pips, or if you would have caught the whole move, 70 pips. Do the risk to reward yourself. Right? Price comes up again, retest this area. Hangman candle, next candle engulfed, and then it just went. This candle pulled back into where? 76% on the fib, on the 5-minute, and it cracked down, right? Same thing with my 5-minute buy right here, right? You had a 5-minute come up in here, 5-minute rejected. Let me get rid of this. I'm talking about this candle rejected. Now this candle bamboozled, but I wasn't in here yet, right? This 5-minute candle created a doji candle, and I entered at the break. You know what I mean? Price came down, engulfed again. Price came down, engulfed another candle. Price came down, showed you this. This was another entry on the 5-minute. I'm already in the trade. I saw someone in the chat that's here every day. This is a nice 5-minute candle. If he would have entered that candle right here at the break, 15 pips, he would have already been up 2-1. Now you tell me if 5-minute, there's people that trade 1 minute time frames and they make more pips than you and me combined. So it is what it is. It all depends on your confirmations. It all depends on how well calm you can stay during a trade. Right? I was in drawdown, almost got stopped out, dude. None emotion. Come live every day, bro. I am live every day. I am popping in live. I've been live every day for since I started streaming. And now actually the fruits are actually growing, right? People are tapping in, which is pretty dope. I need a mentor, so you can teach me if you have time for that. Just pop in on the YouTube, bro. You'll learn enough. Your trading style is good. Thanks. My voodoo working. USG JPY, it would be great if you check it out. Thanks. Okay, bro. Let's check out his chart. Copy that. I don't think that's gonna work, bro. Yeah, see, you gotta send a new chart. USD JPY, bro. You gotta send a new chart if Stalios Zacharis. JPY would be great. Okay, is there any way to know which session is it? Because I live in India and our time isn't the same. Yeah. So if you go if you go to Forex time zone converter, there's this one that I've always used. Oh my god, this one. This one. Market hours. You click on it. Why is my computer so slow? Why is my computer so slow? Actually, for real. Fuck. Okay, but it's this one. Okay, and then you go to your time zone and you type in your time zone here. You just go here, look for it. I don't know what it is. And then it shows you right now my time, which is 12:41. London's open, New York opens in an hour, right? I'll place that into the there you go. Paste. That's the link for that, bro. I take it on the 5-minute. First time here, like your beard, bro. Thanks. I just started growing it for the first time. Struggling back up. It is what it is. Let's try again. Okay. Let's see if I can copy this chart on me. Let's have a look. Go here, paste that. Nah, it's not working. So let me show you how to do it real quick. So you go here to the camera, and I think it's copy link to the chart image. And you open up a new tab, paste it, enter it, right? But then you want this one right here. And then you copy just this, and then you paste that, and then it should work. Yeah, stream's busting. It's crazy. Or it could be something that I'm doing wrong, Zachariah, but bro, who's your mentor? Is it Raja? No. I really don't have like a mentor. Kinda I kinda got introduced in the game by some IML traders. Called them my mentor for a bit, quote unquote. And then after that I was like, you know what? They're not really here for me. And then I actually just went I just bought a bunch of courses, bro, and I started learning. I started investing in myself and I started learning. So I'm my own mentor actually. My own mentor, bro. Never really had someone to hold my hand, you know what I mean? I've had people I've traded with, you know, like my guy Luke. Luke trades London. We've traded a lot together. But that's about it. Never really had someone that said that really held my hand and corrected me on my mistakes, corrected me on, you know, like a real mentor should. Never really had anyone. Thanks, mate. I'll try proper. All right, bro. That 30-minute looks nasty. Yeah, it does. Yo, what's up, Mitch? What up, bro? How you doing, man? Thanks, mate. 16 minutes left. The 1 hour, 16 minutes left. Yeah, 14 now. Needs to close above the previous 1 hour wick to close. Yeah. I like your trading style. Do you teach? I sometimes do pop-ups on my Instagram, like where I would do like a 2-week class. Yeah, but I haven't done those in a while. It's just because I put in a lot of time and effort, and it's very, 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 very tiring when I'm constantly busy with you guys, with those students, like constantly. I did that last. I had a class of 5 people, and they were like 4-hour classes, like every day, seven days a week. Plus, I would trade with them. So follow Luke too. Yeah, Luke's a fucking beast. Luke's my guy. Where you based, bro? I'm based in Belgium right now. How did you meet Luke? YouTube. YouTube. Okay, I think this one's gonna work. Oh shit, looks like we're about to get stopped out. Paste. Okay. Let's see. I like those colors, dude. Double bottom formed, consistent higher lows. Okay. Nice. Price failed to break below major support. Nice. Okay. That's pretty good trade, dude. I would buy it somewhere down here. Try to look for entries down here. Or possibly at the break of this high. But very good. Very, very good. Very way of being patient. Also using this channel. Good job, bro. Risk Award 1-3. TP 24. Stop all. This 24 pips? I thought that was like 100. Oh, it's on the 5 minute. It looks like 100 pips, dude. Oh, this is on 5 minute? Oh, yeah. Dude, you should have milked that right here. You should have milked that right here if that's on the 5 minute with the stops below 100%. Gold. Inspirational and motivational channel. He is mentoring us with this channel. Okay. Oh wait, is that your name or am I tripping? Oh, that's your name. Oh, I see. I get it. My bad. Slow. Okay, yeah. I mean, sir, thanks. You're welcome. They are brothers. Who's brothers? Mitch. About to beat FTMO challenge with this trade. As long as you don't over risk, bro, you have more light at the end of the month. All right. Damn. 120 viewers. Damn. Yeah, crazy, isn't it? GK's been here when I had like 20 viewers. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, you're welcome. You don't remember me or what? Last week we had, yeah, of course. Of course I remember you, bro. 100%. I remember everyone. I remember all the new faces and the people that's been here. 100%. Don't worry about it, bro. You know what I mean? Oh, Jesus Christ. It's just ranging. Still in drawdown. Isn't that about a bitch? Day one's 100%, bro. 100%. Should put you guys as moderators, huh? Shazad, you down for that? You want to be a moderator? Just say yes and I'll mod you. Nice. The only person you need to hold your hand is your girlfriend or wife. Yeah, she's at work right now, so. She's at work right now. So, she holds my hand every day. Alright. There you go. You are now a moderator of this channel. Any bullshit that you see in the chat, fucking block it. Give a warning first and then block it. Alright? You have my blessing, bro. You have my blessing, 100%. What's my Insta? It's the same name, bro. It's it's my Insta, bro. My lady better hold more than my hand. Oh, dude. Yeah, this trade's done. Trade's most definitely gonna stop me out this time. That's the emotion play. What do you mean? Let's see here. Yeah, I think this is done. It tried. 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 Sad. Sad, 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 sad. Still in it though, but it tried. It tried 100%. Yep, that's it. Trade it. Now, let's see. That move was pretty crucial to the downside. Let's see if it didn't slip me. Um, it slipped me. It slipped me. It did slip me by about um 18 pips. Damn, that's fucked up. That slipped me 100%. Just got demolished right here, but it is what it is. Now we move on to the next day, and I learn from my mistakes. And that's it. Can't do more, can't do less, right? Let's open up the YouTube real quick. Let's see. I guess you were wrong fighting the higher time frame. Yeah, I wasn't wrong with the higher time frame. The higher time frame looks like it's just getting disrespected. And we're coming down now. Had 3 chances. You told me, but you should already know. You should already know how I do it, bro. I let or my stop get hit or my TP. I don't pull out of trades because when you pull out of trades, it ends up going in the wrong direction. Unlucky, the banks robbed me. Yeah, they did. Today I got robbed. Straight robbed. It's okay. My confirmations were there. My zones were there. Now it's done. Now my trading is done. I shouldn't trade. I'm gonna journal this trade. But this is right here is the most important. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. Don't let your emotions get the best of you. Period. Right? Good try, bro. Thanks. See some lines going up. Just straight buy. Fuck it. No pull out. No pull out. You guys are crazy, dude. Yeah. So, yeah. Gold did what it did. Stopped me out. And that's it. Cry about it. Right? Trend prevailing low frame. What do you mean, Anton? Antone? I think if the daily closes, so if the daily closes like this, if the daily closes like this, wait for that wick tomorrow and short it. But then again, Putin, only thing Putin has to do is sneeze, right? That's all he has to do. That's all Putin has to do is say hachu. That's it. Boomer, wasn't you just bashing me on my 5 minute wasn't you just bashing me on my 5 minute? I hope you didn't take that trade after bashing me on my 5 minute entries. You better not have. Cause then that's just embarrassing for you. Alright. Oh, look at that. 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 Jesus Christ. Stopped out. Popped out. It's going lower by trend against low frame. I don't understand that, bro. 90.54 makes sense. I don't understand 94. Oh, okay. Wait, is that Anton you used to roast in the lounge? I don't know, bro. Going against your projection up? Oh, yeah, probably. Right. But now it is what it is. Now you just wait. For the people that want to trade again, have fun. I'm not trading again. So now the only thing there is to do is just to general this trade and alaikum salam, bro. I'm not a Muslim, but I respect what you I'll see you tomorrow, bro. Zakaria with the results. Done for the day. Very good job, bro. That's it. When you win, just leave. That's it, bro. Overall trend is still up? Yeah, 100%. Good trade. Good trade. Bad timing. Yesterday as well. Bad timing as well, man. Bad timing. Take a picture of that real quick. I'll edit it later. I think your stop loss should be at our support. That's too deep of a stop loss, bro. With all due respect, kind of don't want to have a stop loss for 80 pips. Nah. Made 20% last night. Fucking great job, bro. That's insane. That's pretty damn good, man. I'm happy for you. I see, and I didn't also want to have a 50 pip stop. That's too much. Nah, it's way too much. I love your trading style. Will always show up. Yeah, bro. I mean, you know, losing's all part of the game, bro. It's all part of the game. But you know what's funny? The 22nd, I already paid myself for the month, so I'm chilling now. And all in all, I've only risked 0.60%, but it slipped me and gave me 0.70% loss. So that's kind of fucked up. I'm in buy from 1890.51. Oh shit. Oh, you just literally bought when it got there, didn't you, bro? We'll take any trade you take. I don't care if it hits stop loss. Don't do that. You got to learn for yourself. That's why I kind of don't want to put the projections up on screen anymore. What's my risk to reward normally? Normally, I just go for a 1 to 2. I'm happy with that. But a lot of times, sometimes depending on the day, or depending on the trade, if I see it just shooting up, or I'll just normally take my TP higher. If there's a lot of volume and it's going in my direction, I'll take my TP higher most definitely. Ooh, that's messed up. That is messed up. Dependencies. Let me take a look right here real quick. Boom, 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 boom. We'll take your trade. Hello, roommates. Solidarity forever. Yeah. Stop loss hunted. They stream sniping you, bro. Yeah. Probably. Probably. Yeah, I gotta put like a 30. I gotta put like a 4 minute delay, like an hour delay on my streams, man. Cause if they stream sniping, bro, I'll be jacked up. Here's gently short exposure and to take trades downside to win, in my opinion. Possibly. I do my own analysis. Yeah, you should always do your own analysis, bro. It's gonna make you a good trader. 100%. Right? Said you're gonna take any trade he does. That don't sound like it though to me. Just saying. Yeah, you gotta be careful, bro. I mean, you can. You know what I mean? It's like at the end of the day, say if I decide to stop streaming, bro. You know where you gonna where you gonna you can't trade anymore then, cause I stopped streaming, bro. Then you're hit. You know what I mean? Do I watch football? No, not anymore. Cause the time zones are different. Short exposure was here to work out down. You said that already, bro, Anton. Mitch, I do think it's the Anton from the lounge. Get on his bucket. I made my mistake you made yesterday. My trade moved but didn't move. I made the same mistake you made yesterday. My trade moved 1-to-1 but didn't move stop loss to BE. Yeah, it's kind of fucked up, isn't it? It's okay, dude. Dude, pay attention to what the end of the month says, dude. Not the fucking end of the week. There's 4 weeks in a month. If 1 week you lose and 3 weeks you're profitable and you followed your risk to reward, you should. For me, I need to have 2 profitable weeks to pay bills and live comfortably. I entered with buy stop. Nice. This is 4 hour support as well right here, so potentially could reject from in here, but you know you have this support. You what you would want to see a break above this support area, close above this support area now. If you start rejecting this support area, it could end up very dangerous. Right? But New York volume, anything can happen with New York volume, bro. Trust. Trust what I say. Anything can happen, New York volume. I'm just thinking, where could it potentially come down to these 1 hour levels right here? Potentially. Potentially. Stop loss was 1894.41. What? What's up, Guala? How you doing? What's up, Fruits? How you doing, bro? When did I shift to Belgium? Like 4 years ago. Done for the day. Thanks. Yeah, bro. Should be done for the day. 100%. 100%. If you took a trade and you lost, leave. Leave. 100%. I have the discipline not to trade again, but if you don't, leave, bro. Trust it. Moving up pretty solid though. Oh man, same fucking shit, dude. Oh man, it's kind of messed up that it's doing that. Spiked into this other zone, and then that's why patience is crucial. Patience is very crucial. Let's open up here to YouTube here. I use C Trader over MT4. Okay. See gold closing above 1899 and continuing up. Don't want to be biased, but based on news, this thing should fly up. Yeah, easily. 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 And now, honestly, with gold, bro, and how bullish it is, you long-term sells, you shouldn't do that shit yet, unless you really honestly see a break structure, right? It's messing about in this area because the 1 hour, because it's 1 hour support area right there. Let's see here. Oh man, same thing, dude. 15 pips off. That's kind of bad. I mean, the 1 hour flips, then it's gonna retest 1888, and if you start seeing like engulfing candles on the lower time frame, then it's gonna go to shit. Oh. Gualo, what's up? Long time. Didn't know you stream here, by the way. I subscribed. Yo, what's up, Garrett F? Yeah, I stream, bro. Now, welcome, welcome. The bio in your Instagram has robbing misspelled. Teach me how to spell it, and I'll change it later. Probably by being quick or something. Let's have a look. Oh, I see. It's with 1B. It should have been 2Bs. I see. Thanks, bro. 30-minute shows gold with the range. Could also even retest 1900 before dropping to 1888. It could do whatever it wants, bro. But, yeah. Let's all subscribe. Yeah, if you guys want, go ahead, bro. Dude's good, man. Yeah. If you know me on previous streams, and you know I don't fuck around with gold, I'll milk it. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck that. Hit the notification bell. Also, do that and like the stream, people. Yeah, that'd be dope. That would be dope. Live trading lounge. That's how I know you, man. Yeah. I used to be on there chilling as well. 100%. 100%. Bank robbery. Yeah. Yeah. You know I don't fuck around, boy. I don't fuck around. I don't mess around. Let's see what the 15-minute is doing. 15-minute closed. What? Bullish. 30-minute is rejecting. 1 hour. My next door neighbor. Yeah. Now you just gotta wait, man. I'm not trading anymore anyway, so I'm just literally here chilling. So if you guys have any questions, if you guys want me to look at any charts, go ahead, man. Send them through. ask away, man. Kick back, relax. I took my loss for the day. I learned from my mistakes. Made the same mistake again yesterday, which was the timing. The timing was bad, man. Timing was bad on my trades. Timings were very bad. How many days do I stream? Every day, bro. I try to get on here every day. I got a question. You think in your head, do you hear Dutch or English? English. You look at NZD USD. What do you want me to look at NZD USD, bro? Don't call me sir, bro. I'm not old. NZD USD. Just flying up. Flying up. Nothing more, nothing less. If you want to get in, probably wait for a pullback, probably into the support area to continue higher. That's it. How long till New York opens, bro? 40 minutes. You had to trade by trend, downside to win and not upside. Alright, bro. Whatever. The only way gold to pump is New York open. Yes, or it could also dump, bro. It could also dump. Keep in mind, keep in mind. It could also dump New York open. Especially, yes, you're at a nice buying area, but with New York open, the volume, dude, a lot could happen. It could just crash through here, you know what I mean? So, and I honestly, the way it's looking right now, it doesn't look nice to continue higher. It doesn't. But it could do that. It could do that 100%. Yeah, gold's just being gold right now, messing about, waiting. There goes. That's New York. Some of New York volume for you. Some of it. Convincing part about gold is the fact that higher highs and higher lows are being made, even though it drops in the future buys above. Yeah. I want to say that the first day on your stream every day from now on. Thanks, bro. Gold's going to retest 1902, possibly. Pre-New York volume, yeah. I'm just chilling, bro. I'm literally just chilling. If you guys got questions, answer them. But for the rest, man, I'm really just kicking back, chilling, man. So as of right now, you really want the 1 hour to close above the yellow line, and then you should be good. Or it could just reject here and continue lower, right? It's all based on the 1 hour this trade here, the buys. So yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Good gold flip all the way bullish today. I'll be insane if it does. You'd be surprised though. You'd be surprised. Bum, 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 bum. Whole lot of pre-New York volume, LOL. Yeah. That shit didn't do nothing, bro. The only thing it did was spike up like 10 pips. Is gold gonna get stuck in this range? Probably. Probably. Yellow line 4 hour, one support. Yellow line's 1 hour support. This support area. Yeah, gold's not doing shit. Better off to just wait. Just stuck in this range, man. Stuck in this range. Stuck in this range. Stuck in this range. Stuck in this range. Let's have a look here on the YouTube. Second trade? No. No. One trade. One loss. Done. Gold sell. Good luck, Buddha. If you're in that sell, good luck, sir. Be careful, manage your risk, and you will be okay. All right. Still alive? Yeah, I'm just chilling, bro. Literally just chilling. Answering questions. Saying what's up. You know what I mean? Thought you got in again. 1 USD, 10 pips to get in. I thought you got in again. Salute to your discipline. Yeah, I'm not getting in. I'm done. 30 minutes about to close above 1998. Hopefully. 1998. Oh, yeah. 1998. Oh, you want to close above here? You're making progress if price closed above here. Right, because that's 1 hour support. Crucial area. Crucial. Very crucial. Do you like when you ask questions or not? Yeah, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm just sitting here, literally just laid back chilling. For you guys to ask questions. And to get better at your craft, right? Take advantage of this opportunity. You know what I mean? All right, 30 minutes about to close. I know Roger Banks? Yes, I know Mr. Roger Banks. Half hour for got in at 1893.62. 1893.62. Oh shit. Very good entry. Closed below support level. Worked out well. 32 pips up. Very good. New York volume should push you up high. Feel it? 100%. Yeah, bro. So ask questions, bro. If you got any questions, ask. Ask. Yep, 42 now. Yeah. Depending on your stop loss, if you're up 2 to 1, put your stops at break even. It's never wrong to secure some profits. So if you can, or try to secure some profits, bro. It's important. Also for your psyche. There's New York volume. See, bad timing, good intentions, bad timing. You know what? Good, good. Good zones, good discipline, bad timing. That's it. That's it. Stop me out by like 10 pips, which is cool. To then continue higher. You know what I mean? When we gonna smoke? And I don't care if you don't. You got it at least once. Your entry was too early, but it's okay. It happens. Yeah. Tomorrow's another day. 100%. Might take a quick scalp, possibly. I mean, if New York volume kicks in and price decides to go, it's gonna go. It's gonna go 100%. Where did it reject off of? Jesus. I don't think there would be another entry for me. I think it's just gonna go fly now. I'm not honestly even looking for an entry, so I'm just thinking of where could I have entered. But I don't see any confirmations on the 5-minute. Potentially at the open of this 15-minute candle stops below, but then you're looking at 46 pips. So you would have a 90. So reward to have a 2-to-1 would be 90 pips. 30-minute. And it's ranging, so it's kind of hard to take a trade in the range, you know what I mean? One hour no lower body wick, good indication, probably, yeah. 1898.22 is my entry. Oh shit. About to break it a 1 hour. Oh, you took a short. Interesting. 5-minute and a candle? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean by that? Buddha. Honestly, if you take a trade on the lower time frames, if New York volume pushes gold above 1901, 1901, dude, that's too high. Then you think then you can think, nah, I would never do that, bro. Even if the setup's so clear or whatever, I'll never buy. I'm headed to sleep now that I found your page and you're live every day. I'm for sure gonna tap in more. Yeah, bro, most definitely. Thank you, bro. Sleep well. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. 1901 to 1914. I don't look for 10 pips, bro. My man Mitch charts. Copy. Oh, took it short. Good workout. Nice. Good workout. Good workout. I just feel like you got to be careful because this 1 hour support. You want this 1 hour to close, to start rejecting like right now, like big time. Bro, I should just tapped you out and moved up. Yep. Bite the bed bugs instead. Ah, bro. You guys are hilarious, dude. I swear to God. Bite the bed bugs instead. Can't never see them. I never had bed bugs, luckily, but I had some friends in the States that had bed bugs, boy. Like once you find out, you only find out people have bed bugs when it's too late, right? So messed up. Oh. Yeah, the entry that I just now see would be at the break of here. That's the only entry I see. That would be the only entry I see. Oh my god, they the worst. Some bitch gave them to me years ago. Yeah. Push. Yeah. Josh, good job, bro. Nice trade. Very nice trade. You should be well up chilling. Big chilling in profits. Big chilling in profits. Good wop, dirty bitch. Oh man, dude, it's so sad that I got stopped out, man. Again, 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 and again. Sad. Sad, sad. Made 3%. Thanks, man. Oh shit. GG's, bro. Good GG's. I didn't. I got. How the fuck did I get stopped out and you made 3%, bro? It doesn't make sense. Very good job, though, bro. Very good job. Josh, you as well. Perhaps this backup works out. Up. Yeah. Anton, you talked too much shit already. You see downside movement for the. You see downside movement for the smaller time frames, bro. I see fucking bigger picture time frame. You shouldn't look for sells continuous. You shouldn't continuously look for sells until you break and close below. But I do see New York volume turning. Yeah, I do too, bro. Maybe they believe stop loss is the biggest lie. Stop loss is your savior. Oh man, dude. Ah, same as yesterday, man. Same good entry, good confirmations, just the timing. So now tomorrow I'm gonna wait until I'm not gonna. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Messed up though. Messed up though. Very messed up. Ah, dude. Fuck. Stop loss is a love-hate relationship. Boy, you better always have a stop loss. Price at critical zone, 1903 makes the break. But I do see, yes, 63 pips. Bro, my TP was 1905. That was TP1. Right, so that was my TP, so which is right here. So I mean, you're in from fairly good. You have an advantage. You can do what you want to do, right? You could do whatever you want to do. You can do. You know what I mean? 15 minute. Oh, very bullish. Man, I see gold 1931. Possibly, bro. Possibly. Go FOMO? Nah, bro. Fuck that. Nah, bro. You don't enter that. You don't enter shit like this, bro. Fuck that FOMO shit, dude. Look left. Yeah, 100%. I'm already knowing. It's not marked off, but I've already did my homework. So I've been buying only. I mean, if you want to do something crazy with very small stop loss, sell short right now. 14 pips. Risky though. I had sales on 1900 secured 45 pips. Yeah, this dude's just smacking the market left or right. Left or right. I messed up my opportunities here. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. I'm out. I'm done. See you all tomorrow. Peace out, bro. Best thing about trading is that every day there's countless opportunities. You just need to spot them. Agreed, 100%. 100%. There's even things you could do on like the second chart, dude. I don't know someone crazy that trades on the second chart, but trust me, they're out there. UK just imposed sanctions on Russia. Hmm. I think you can get a re-entry at the next 1 hour candle. I'm not trading. Anton, bro, what are you talking about, bro? You've been saying weird shit all day. Yeah, that's Mitch, Josh. Yeah, this is kind of sticky situation here. What would I have done if my stop was 54 pips? And I would have to at least TP here. Doesn't look good. Let's go. Almost back in profit. Let's go, man. But I'm about to get myself back into profit. Well, no, I'm not. Never mind. Anyway, I am about to get off here on the stream. You know, I'm not taking another trade. I was just watching it, see what it was gonna do, see how I could have learned from my mistakes, see where I could have entered. I've learned from my mistakes. It's the same mistake I made yesterday, which was timing. Good zones, bad timing, and it's still not out the clear. So I think honestly, when I see stuff like this, stay away from it. I'm gonna remember this whole daily picture. Stay away from it. Told you that was the same Anton? Yeah, probably. I'm about to block him then if that is. So, yeah. Learn from my mistakes. What a fake out as well right here. So yeah, so for the people that are still on, just here chilling with me, man, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it a lot. We had a bunch of viewers today. I was actually in shock. Peak was like 120, I think. I don't even know. So 140 people watched me lose today, which was pretty dope. They watched me discipline myself, and they watched me not get emotionless like a little bitch, right? I appreciate everyone that came in, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.